In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find or create equivalent fractions. An equivalent fraction is a fraction that is equal to another fraction. This means the two fractions will have different numerators and different denominators, yet the value will be the same. What you will notice when we go through these examples is that when you create the equivalent fraction, if you simplified them both, you would have the same fraction value. Let's walk through these 4 examples to see how it works. Let's look at the first example of 1/2. To create an equivalent fraction, all you have to do is just pick a number and multiply both the numerator and denominator by that number. So let's take 1/2 and let's multiply it by 5. When we multiply the numerator and denominator by 5, we get a fraction of 5/10. And 5/10 is the same thing as 1/2 because 5 is half of 10. Example 2. 2/3. Let's multiply this one by 3/3. We get 6 for our numerator and 9 for our denominator. So 6/9 is the same thing or is equivalent to 2/3. 3/5. Let's go with 7 this time. We get a fraction of 21/35, which is equal to 3/5. And finally, let's look at 1/4. Let's pick 10 this time. And we get a fraction of 10/40, which we can see right off the bat, if you simplified it, it's equal to 1/4, right? So here's an example for you. Now that you've been through 4 of them, try this one on your own. Write an equivalent fraction for 1/4. Pick any number that you want to pick. Leave your fraction in the comments. Good luck.
If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.